Okay, you've seen the view from my window. You've seen the view on top of the van. This is what the front of the house looks like. Not so bad. Only 3 feet of snow on top of that ledge. We have to get the snow rake down and pull it all down. But then you come over here and you're like, oh, see, we have a line that runs through the eaves trough to heat it. And it's working. But where we don't have the line, we don't have these massive icicles. So, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's doing much. But then again, that is where we have the fireplace. So it heats up that room really, really warm, and then things freeze at night. Because we don't have a line above that room there. And we still have massive icicles. Yep. Oh boy. So you can see the snow is almost as tall as the van that we've piled up. But it's not much of a pile up. I mean, it's only about 1.5 feet taller than just the the snow that fell. So you can see the height on the shed there. Yeah. And it's starting to snow again.